Welcome to Waikiki, where the waves kiss golden shores, and aloha is more than just a word, it's a way of life. Nestled on the south shore of Honolulu, Waikiki is Hawaii's most famous beach destination. A vibrant mix of surf, shopping, and sunshine. Waikiki's gentle waves make it the perfect place for beginners to surf. It's also where the legendary Duke Kahanamoku, the father of modern surfing, once ruled the ocean. From sunrise to sunset, Waikiki transforms, morning yoga on the beach, afternoon snorkel sessions, and evenings filled with music, hula, and tropical cocktails. And let's not forget the food. From fresh poke bowls to world-class dining, your taste buds are in for an adventure of their own. For the best view of Waikiki, hike up Diamond Head Crater. The reward: a breathtaking panorama that makes every step worth it. When the sun goes down, Waikiki lights up. Dance, dine, and discover the spirit of aloha that lives on after dark. Waikiki isn't just a place, it's a feeling, a blend of nature, culture, and joy you'll never forget. Thanks for watching video. Don't forget subscribe, like and share video.